Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. We meet again in our English lesson. So this is our second lesson for PDPR and today is 2nd of February 2021. So, are you ready? Let's start. So, the main skill for this lesson is speaking. Speaking. Speak. Bercakap. Speaking. At the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to first, play a game named Guess Who. Second, use has got and have got correctly. For today's lesson, we are going to refer to textbook page 5. Okay, before this, at the previous lesson, we focused on this song. So, do you still remember the song? Hello, I'm Sharky. Okay, you can sing again if you want. So, but for today's lesson, we are going to focus on this part. Okay, the bottom part of this page. Okay, so let's listen to the audio first. Just listen first.
Activity 2. Play. She has got brown eyes. Her hair is brown. What's her name? It's Lucy. Yes, it is.
Okay. So, we are going to play a game called Guess Who. Cuba teka siapa. Guess Who. Okay. Now, look at the picture of these two girls, Fatima and Lily. Okay, can you please repeat after me? Ulang selepas teacher baca. Because this is a speaking lesson, then you have to speak. Kamu kena bercakap. I have got long hair. My hair is black. Who am I? So, who do you think? Fatima or Lily? You're Lily. It's correct. Yes, I am. Okay, so the answer is Lily. Her hair is black and her hair is long. Next, they have got fair skin. Their hair is long. Who are they? Look at the picture. Who have got fair skin? Who have got long hair? They're Aish and May. Yes, they are. Next, he has got gray eyes. His hair is blonde. Who is he? Okay, look at these two boys, Tim or Hans. It's Tim. Yes, it is. Okay, last one. She has got curly hair. Her eyes are black. Who is she? Okay, curly hair, eyes are black. Jessie or Lisa? It's Jessie. Yes, it is. Okay, very good. You've done well. So, today we're going to learn have got. Okay, for your information, we use, for have got, we use I and they. I have got. For example, I have got a yellow pen. I have got a yellow pen. Okay. Another example is they have got. We use they have got. For example, they have got purple pencils. They have got purple pencils. Okay? For has got, he and she. He and she use has got. For example, he has got black car. He has got a black car. Example for she has got a blue chair. She has got a blue chair. She has got a blue chair. Okay. Remember once again, I and they use have got. I and they use have got because they are plural. So use have got. Even though I is one person singular, but I is special. It is considered as plural. So I have got and they have got. The next one is he has got and she has got. He and she is considered as he and she are considered as singular. So they use has got. Okay, so for your enrichment activities, please open your module that you have taken from school. Okay, please do these 2 pages. Okay, the first page. Okay, I will give. Let's discuss the answer for the first and second questions. Okay, the instruction is write the correct answer. Okay, you have to choose have got or has got. For example, number 1, I black eyes. I have got black eyes or I has got black eyes. Remember, I use have or use has? Yes, have got. I have got black eyes. Number 2, she black eyes. She have got black eyes or she has got black eyes? Yes, she has got black eyes. Okay, if you cannot remember, you can always refer to this slide again. Okay, I have got, they have got, he has got, she has got. Okay, and please do the rest of the questions. Okay, until number 15. Okay, the second page. Okay, this one, for example, number 1. Okay, the instruction is write the correct answer also. The answers are he, she, they, I. Okay, look at number 1. Has got blue eyes. Has got blue eyes. Okay, so the options are he or she, right? So you can choose either one. Okay, you can write he has got blue eyes or she has got blue eyes. Same goes to number 2. Okay, for number 3, have got. Have got. So you have to choose whether they have got red cheeks or I have got red cheeks. Okay, you can choose either one. Okay, and please do the rest of the questions until number 15. So that's all for today. Thank you. See you again. #stay safe. Bye bye.